these are cute from Riri. She's gonna be getting the other knee replaced. Good morning.
And I'm feeling good.
Happy birthday, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's your birthday.
Okay, we just left church. About to go get something to eat. We're at Texas Roadhouse. I'm sleepy. I need a nap. Bam. After we eat, we go home. Oh, you got the key. I'll get me a little snooze before I get to eating. We're sitting at table 321. That's a sign because it's my birthday. 321. Got salmon, green beans, and rice. Chicken tenders. Okay, I'm home. Skirt came from Shein. Shoes from Shoe Dazzle. Bag from It's Fashion Metro. Tank top from the same place. I did have on this collar white shirt. It came from Tort, but I don't think they got off. I got hot. It's like 70-something degrees outside. But we're back home from church. Everything was good and amazing. Now I'm about to take this wig off and take me a nap. Done. Need some lights off. Been recording all day. Yes, I'm hungry. It's 6:40, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to editing the video and order dinner when she figure out what she wants. I'm so aggravated. My bonnet lopsided, but it is what it is. Good morning, y'all. I'm up in the office early. I was editing, but CapCut is down on the computer and won't let me export anything. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take my shower and get ready for the day. I have to pick my goddaughter up from school, and then I need to go to Sephora and pick up a couple of things. And then I'm gonna move my vanity from one room to the other, and then move something from the other room to the other. And I need to put up laundry. I did a good job of doing laundry. It's just putting it up sometimes is a hassle for me. And then I did a video yesterday, which was Pinterest inspired. So anytime I do a video, the next day is just a mess because I got clothes everywhere. Well, not necessarily everywhere. They all on that same chair. But I be so tired after I'm done. I just be like, whatever. So let me get ready. I'll be back. Ooh, I look like my mama. This man out here teaching his dog tricks, and I need to go that way. He need to get that pet. Get that animal. It's big too.
Just go that way. You scare me.
He keep hugging them. That thing big as a bear. Okay, they're going now. Okay, at the mall, let's go in Sephora. I made a list of what I need. It's only a couple things, literally. Where is it? I need some setting spray. The one size, I need some concealer. I kind of don't even need those things, but I'm gonna get the concealer. I need some more of the LYS bronzing stick, and I need some makeup brush cleaner, which I could probably get from anywhere, but since I'm already gonna be at Sephora, why not? Ooh, these are cute from Riri. That's a pretty gloss. Fine lines are hella thick. Okay. Get some more of the concealer. I need a Mandy. Oh, they don't have it. It was supposed to be right here. Let's see if it's... Oh, here we go. Bam. Oh, and the LYS is right here. I need courage. Where is it? Right on my face. Need some more setting spray. I'm gonna get this one, being that I'm about to travel in the next 2 weeks. So I'm gonna get this one. What's that? Wait, how much is the full size? Is no. Well, you save like $2. 18 plus 18 is 36. And it's not a big enough savings. I need some setting powder. This the right color? Yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna just get this. It's not that expensive, so I think I'm gonna just get this one so I don't have to make multiple stops. Now, my bestie has been going on and on and on about this lip gloss, so I may try it. Is there a tester? I want to see how it comes out. Well, it looks like it might be a little thick. What color is this? Oh. It looks like these are the only ones that they have. I don't want that. Let me see if there's a tester for this one. The only one they have is like an old lady red. And I don't want that. So we may just have to wait. I'm gonna look and see if they got some down in the bottom. Bag secure. I'm so weak. So I'm coming out the door. The double door is normally open, but this time they didn't, so I had to go out the door that you have to actually open. So it was a guy walking up. So I was like, oh, well, I'll be nice and hold the door open. The double door is open for him, so I'm just sitting there. He was like, oh, you good? And I'm like, oh, okay. I be embarrassed about myself.
Did her bad, she took me back again. This time I did her worse. And every beat like wave up from the
I wanted to dilly and I was gonna go to the mall, pick up my glasses. But when somebody found out that my glasses was ready, oh, can you pick me up? Oh, I wanna go in the mall too. I thought that was Keith Lee, girl. So he don't look like Keith Lee. I thought she ain't had no shirt on.
Let's go and get the glasses.
Okay. We at the mall. And we got a front row park. Now that's what I'm talking about. What's up, bitch? What? It's still quick. No.
Metal report.
You want to be like me so bad.
Right here.
What is that?
No, it's just typing. Metal. Maybe these don't work.
maybe.
And somebody on the cruise had some.
No. Somebody think these glasses are theirs, and they're not. Okay, I'm gonna go back upstairs and get something to eat. There's some Chinese food, real bad. We'll probably have to come on a weekend or something. Listen, and I ain't stealing with you. So it was a video on TikTok of these girls. They was fighting at Bath and Body Works, and somebody was like, "Oh, I'll make sure I'll walk out of there with all the stuff with a little champagne." So good morning. About to head out to my orthodontist appointment. I got my metal glasses on, y'all. So it's my first day wearing them, so we're gonna see. But 2-piece from Fashion Nova, bag from Teddy Blake, shoes from The Gate, that rhymed. Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to head out of the house, take mama to her doctor's appointment, and possibly dilly-dally. We'll see. But I have on this green crop top that I got from City Trends. It was like $3-4. Tights from Torrid, shoes from Shoe Carnival. Ooh, what did my voice do just then? And I got my bag, my everyday bag. I was gonna put on my Coach bag today, but I haven't dressed it up. So I was like, I don't wanna just waste the moment. But this is a simple little fits. We're not doing too much today. Wanna be comfortable. But yeah, I'm about to get out the house, y'all. Hey girl, I'm surprised you didn't bring your card.
Get all that much.
Alright.
All I did was say it was grocery shopping. You must got a lot of places to go. Cause I ain't got no way to rush back home.
No, yeah, no one go. I got some editing and stuff to do as usual. You didn't say hi.
Good morning.
Okay, so I'm back home. I ain't record nothing. Cause I didn't really do a whole lot. I took mama to the doctor and she's gonna be getting the other knee replaced coming up in the next few months. So just talking to the doctor about that. We pretty much know what to expect this time, so we know how to attack it. I'm gonna get rid of that bed that's in there and get the bed from my mom's house that I got when I moved back from California, and I'm gonna put that one in there because it's lower to the ground and it'll be easier for her to get off of. I did stop by Publix. I meant to get some fruit, but I forgot. But I got some more of that crab dip and seaweed because it's delish. Volcano roll dip because it's delish. But I am super sleepy. I could take a nap, but I got things I want to do. Things I need to accomplish. And plus, tomorrow is Saturday, so I don't have anywhere to go in the morning. So I can kind of linger around a bit. But I got the seaweed and I got the volcano roll dip. Cheers. Delicious. Why is it so spicy? I'm about to edit. And my goal is to straighten up some more in here, kind of organize some more, and get started putting something else together outside. So we're gonna keep our fingers crossed. I'm on break right now until 3 o'clock. I'm gonna eat and then get back to work. Keep me lifted in prayer.